Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide notification badges in App Library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down and tap on App Screen and App Library. In here, go down to the Notification Badges section and tap on Show in App Library. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When this is turned on, you can see if I open up my app library, I can see the notification badges in my app library. And if I go in here and switch it off, then in my app library, it no longer shows the notification badges. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.